Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'll be showing you guys how to do the arc mesh stitch. It is a fantastic summer stitch that is great for market bags, it's great for shawls, it's also cool to use on cowls and things like that for fall depending on the type of yarn you use, or for summer, again, depending on the type of yarn you use. Today I'll be using a cotton yarn and I will try to leave that linked in the description box below if you want to find that yarn. Alright, so to get started, you are going to want to create a slip knot. Alright, and you're going to chain in multiples of 4 plus an additional 1 at the end, and then for the foundation chain you're going to add an additional 5. So I believe I'm going to chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, my additional 1, and then my additional 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, now for row 1, we are going to single crochet into the 10th chain from our hook. So not this guy that I'm pulling on, but the more stable ones down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we're going to place a single crochet there. Alright, now we are going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, and now we are going to skip 3 chains and single crochet into the 4th one over. So 1, 2, 3, we're going to single crochet into this 4th one. Okay, and we're going to continue doing this all the way across our foundation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to single crochet into, well, I'm going to single crochet into my last stitch here. And this is what row 1 looks like. Alright, for row 2, we are going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and turn our work. Alright, now we are going to single crochet into the next chain space available. So that would be here, this first one right here. Just going to work a single crochet into that. Alright, then we are going to chain 5. And again, single crochet into our next chain space. Alright, we're going to single crochet into our last chain space. Now we're going to chain 2, and we are going to create a double crochet into the 4th chain of this last chain space. So I like to look at the single crochet down here and count to 4 from that point. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm just going to make a nice double crochet right there. Oops. And that is the end of row 2. Now for row 3, we are going to chain 6. Turn our work. And we are going to single crochet into not this little chain space here, but this chain 5 space next to it. Alright. We're going to chain 5 and 5. And we are going to single crochet into the next chain space. And we're going to do this all the way to the end of the row. And single crochet into that last chain 5 space. Alright, now for row 4, we are going to basically repeat row 2. So we are going to chain up 6. And 6, turn our work. We are going to single crochet into this first available chain space. We are going to chain 5 and 5, and then we are going to proceed to single crochet into the next chain 5 space, and we would continue this all the way across our row till we get to the last chain space. Alright, now we are going to chain up 2, and we are going to make sure this is in the center of our little arc here, and we are going to yarn over and double crochet into the second chain of that chain from the previous row. Alright, and this is how the pattern works up. If you continue on, you will basically end up with a scarf or some kind of long panel, a rectangle if you will. This is a very versatile mesh stitch. I have used this stitch in different variations in both my fishnet shawl pattern and my chain link cowl pattern, which both of those you can find over on my blog, linked in the description box below. Also, the yarn I used today was Premier yarn, just cotton. Looks like this. You can find it at the Dollar Tree for the most part. Again, I'll try to find a link for that and put it in the description box so you guys don't have to go hunting for it. I hope today's video was helpful for you all. If so, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I will be doing more of these mesh summer patterns throughout the month of July and into August, so I hope you'll stick around for that cool content. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and my other social media pages where I post a variety of different content, and I also tease upcoming pattern releases. And until next time guys, happy making.